Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
UMLA Barim Jongkasang Congress na Umsning Constituency Ubaderu Hagajo Kopor Chairman Jongka Pradesh Campaign Committee Dr. Celestine Lingdo Habaya Keren Bat Kilat Pathai Kubor Mentakasngi Ka Arpulai Terik Ubanai Nok Pra Arajar Arpuar Ulaong Baka Manifesto Jongkasang Congress Kalong Kumno Ban Penklanya Kapla Tengka Jongka Sorkar Jela Padula Ainuk Saru Bakum Kaying Habatay Kaying Dan Kam Kapisa Kumta na kaliang jong uulaong pamaryawan kaseng Kongres hakabor an pendo no ye kilat penmi pisa kibalong BI kat baka pisa kabawan na katana tourism kan donru ke komiti ke bakerpang namar lada pai se ki jilla kum ke Sikkim negari Bhutan hado katno kini ki jilla ki mentoy ne katana Shanghai perthei kat bah ke jilla Meghalaya pad lada ki breu ki bawan Shanghai na keleng ki shim ye ki kali ki bam na Assam Hendrai ka eka baka jilla kayo kadai satang kinyot ki baki nongwan Shanghai ki bread. Kumta ha kabayade bat kanina kaliang jong Dr. Celestine Ulaong pagkaseng Kongres kan pej halor kanay kamat bakan penkela ye ki jingla jong kakam Shanghai syakalat ban kamay bat pan penmi pisa na kabenta ka jingbiang jong upat ba. Sakaway pat ka bakaseng Kongres ka pedlet jingmut kadai halor ka do kam do jam ki khon samla jong ka jilla bat kaseng ka don ka jing angnut ka bakrao man yarap iki samla jong ka jilla lingba ki program bapher ban ai jing hikai badru ban yasnok ti lang kawai ha ka jaka ban penserwa kai ka pisa ha ki babun ki kam penbernya bapher namar kata kum kaseng ka ong ba la ban penkelapat yakini da ka baplelat iki samla bakin la ban yang halaki jong ki kijan wala da kisdang nakakam ka baretru kabala ban yarapat yaki hadin habut.
Our manifesto is focusing on is how to improve the revenue of the state. When we talk of running a government, we can give an example of running a household. For the household to be sufficient, we need funds. So in our manifesto, we have decided that the moment the Congress comes to power, all leakages when it comes to revenue will be plugged. And a revenue that is supposed to come through tourism, that also will have a special committee if we have to study the examples of other states like Sikkim, or if we have to study the example of Bhutan, where tourism really benefits the local people. Unlike what is happening now in Meghalaya, where every tourist who comes, the tourist vehicle itself is hired from Assam, the food itself they pack from Assam. So all that we get is only the garbage that is left behind. So the Congress party will look into it and convert the tourism potential of the state into a real revenue generating activity for the people. Then the next one that we concentrate is the unemployment. So when we talk of unemployment, the youths are the main target group that we plan to help. So through entrepreneurship programs, through hand-holding programs, instead of wasting money in so many activities like festivals, this and that, we can utilize those funds and redirect them into helping our youths to stand on their own feet by starting maybe small-scale industries or cottage industries. By hand-holding them, we can always create employment for them.